Today we're going to go over the exact ways to grow your email list, and I'm going to go over the exact steps that I'm using to grow my email list. Hi, my name is Michael Tandarich, and in my 20s I built a 7-figure marketing agency, and in my 30s I'm giving all the information away for free through my newsletter called The Midweek Marketer. And today, like I said, we're going to talk about how to build your email list from scratch. Now, before I dive into exactly how to build your email list from scratch, I want to go and give you a quick pointer. When you're going through all these things, make sure you're just testing them. And what I mean by that is give it a time limit, so say 30 days, and go through every single one and say, hey, I'm going to do X amount of this. And then at the end of those 30 days, evaluate what brought in the most email leads for you. If you're finding that Facebook ads brought the most over something like posting on social media, focus more on the Facebook ads. Reason being, it's a lot better to focus in on the thing that's working best for you than to spread yourself thin across 20 different options. Okay, that being said, let's jump into it. The first one is inviting friends and family and people in your social groups. Obviously, this is super baseline and super I'm sure you're hearing this everywhere when you're looking up, ways to build up your email list from scratch. But that's going to be the quickest way to get your first, 10 to 50 subscribers on your email list is posting on your social media to your current friends and family and getting them to join your email list. Now, the next one that I like to use to build my email list from scratch is answering questions in Facebook groups. You have to be careful with this because sometimes people don't like you promoting in their Facebook groups, but if someone's got a specific question that's related to your email list or your freebie or your newsletter, you can go and respond to them and give them a past newsletter that you wrote and have them sign up for your email list to be able to access that. Another good way of doing this is going through Reddit, finding people that have asked specific questions related to your email list, and then answering that question, giving them the link to your email list, and having them sign up there. The next thing that I would try is cold emails. So this is identifying who your target market would be. So for me, with my newsletter, it's the Midweek Marketer, I'm looking for small business owners and marketing directors. And you can go on platforms like Instantly.ai or similar platforms and build out a whole list of cold emails of people that have no idea who you are and send them a cold email automatically inviting them to join your email list. Now, obviously, make sure you have some kind of value add or value prop for your freebie or your newsletter where those people want to join your email list, and it's not just emailing them, asking them to join for no reason at all. Make sure you're offering them some kind of value for joining your email list. The next one is having ads in other people's newsletters. So what's great about this is someone else has built up their newsletter or their email list, and they've built up an audience there, and you can run an ad in that newsletter to invite people to sign up for your email list. You can go about this by finding other newsletters and cold reaching out to the authors or the people that run those email lists. Or there's platforms that natively have it, like Beehive is an email platform that has a thing called Boost in it, and you can put your email newsletter or your email list out there to other newsletters and pay someone $1 to $3 every time a lead comes in to your email list. What I like about this is the fact that you know that with this newsletter that you're running ads in, those people have already signed up. They already like receiving emails, and so it's a natural flow into your email list. The only caveat I'll add is, especially when it comes to Beehive and boosting, so putting your ad in someone else's newsletter within Beehive, is a lot of people will reject your application there because they don't feel like it matches up with their email newsletter. I'm sure people get tons of applications all the time, especially through Beehive. So you have to be super selective, but also hit a bunch of newsletters if you want to advertise in them and be willing to spend that money. Now, the next thing is creating content on social media. This is more of like a slow drip type thing, long-term plan, long-term growth strategy. But if you're able to build up an audience on social media, it's a great way to funnel people right into your email list and make it super easy for them to natively and naturally just go right into your email list. Like I said though, this takes a lot of time and effort to build up your audience though on social media. So if you're looking to build up your email list quicker, this next option is going to be better for you. And that next option is Facebook ads. This is what I personally use to build up my email list. I currently have 3,000 people on my Midweek Marketer newsletter. If you want to sign up for that and get one actual marketing strategy every single week, click the link in the description below. What I love about running Facebook ads for my email list is it cuts down that time horizon that I was just talking about. So if I had 0 people on my email list and I want to get to 3,000, I can put out a bunch of content for free on social media, and hopefully over a year, I'll get to that point. But with Facebook ads, depending on how much I spend, I can be there within a week. So Facebook ads is a great way to build up your email list quickly if you're looking to do that. However, sometimes you can get really low quality leads on Facebook, especially when you're starting out and the algorithm is trying to figure out who your ideal person is. But that being said, I have gotten some really high, good quality leads off of Facebook ads that have signed up for my email list that are part of and marketing directors of really big companies. All right, the next thing that I would do if you're trying to build up your email list from scratch, and this is something that I've done, is using affiliates. What's cool about this is you basically go to someone else that has an email list or an audience and says, hey, for every X amount of people that you send to me, I'll give you this. And that could be either a dollar amount, it could be a discount off of something that you have as a product or service. It could be giving that product or service away for free, depending on how many people sign up. But it's a really good way to access that other person's email list and audience and have them come over to your email list. What I like about this too is it helps you align yourself with that person's brand. So what I mean by that is if there's another marketer out there that has a big YouTube channel and I can get them to be an affiliate for my newsletter, then I'm aligning myself and elevating my brand to their level. Obviously, I can't expect someone like Alex Hormozi to start promoting my newsletter, but there's plenty of smaller affiliates out there that would do it. All right, so for the last thing that I would do to build my email list from scratch, which is what I'm doing with my midweek marketer newsletter, is I would build out a referrals. Now, obviously this is kind of more on the back end, so it's not top of funnel and bringing people in cold, but what it's doing is people that are already on your email list, giving them some kind of value for telling their friends and having their friends and family join your email list. Obviously, you're looking more for like colleagues or other people similar to them, not just their family. But the point is that you're taking your people that are already on your email list and asking them to bring at least one other person, which if every single person on your email list brought one person, it would automatically double your list. So I know that's a bit high level, but that's exactly what I'm doing to build my email list, the Midweek Marketer newsletter. Again, if you would like to sign up for it and get one actual marketing strategy every single Wednesday, click the link in the description. And I hope this helps you build your email list.